Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the next gen FPV drone from DJI, the DJI Avata 360. If you're into immersive aerial footage and full 360 capture, this could be a game changer. Let's break it down. Firstly, you might know the DJI Avata series, compact FPV drones that combine agile flight with creative capture. Now, going one step further, the Avata 360 is rumored to bring true 360-degree camera capture and FPV flight performance, according to recent filings and leaks. The model name Avata 360 has been confirmed in documents such as the FCC listing in the United States. Leaked promotional images show a drone with dual 1.1-inch CMOS sensors and a camera module that may rotate or act in 360 mode. A battery upgrade over the Avata 2 is reportedly confirmed in the FCC paperwork, plus 25% capacity, which aligns with the 360 model's ambition. So, has DJI officially launched it? Not exactly, as of now. It seems more of a new release, upcoming product. Some sources say it's on its way to a global release. One article says the listing in the FCC suggests the launch is imminent. Therefore, you can say DJI has officially registered the Avata 360 for regulatory approval, confirming its existence. However, a full public launch/availability date is yet to be formally announced by DJI. Next, what this means for you as a creator. With 360 capture plus FPV drone agility, you could film immersive footage where you literally look around the scene. The dual sensor camera and higher battery specs suggest longer flight time, better image quality, and more flexibility. If you pair this with 360 editing, your interactivity on YouTube or VR platforms, you could stand out in aerial videography. Here are a few pointers if you're planning your video. Introduce 360 FPV drone. As the niche, differentiate from standard FPV or 4K drones. Show what 360 means. The viewer should understand you can pan around in post or during live capture. Use comparison. Here's what a standard FPV drone does. Now imagine that plus full spherical capture. Mention the status. Leaked, confirmed by regulatory body. Launch expected soon, so your audience is aware it's upcoming. Not fully available yet. Now let's talk about the key features that make the DJI Avata 360 one of the most exciting drones we've seen in the FPV category. Dual lens 360 capture system. The biggest highlight is the dual camera setup designed to capture a complete spherical view. This means every angle around the drone is recorded front, back, sides, above, and below, giving you total freedom in post-production. You can reframe shots, track subjects, or create impossible third-person perspectives that normal FPV drones simply cannot achieve.